YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl Rare Secrets coming at you with another video. And please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, please. And to any newcomers, welcome to the family. And y'all, I feel ashamed. So y'all remember when Bath and Body Works had their SAS, their semi-annual sale? That was back in like June, right? May, June. Tell me why I came across a box that was unopened from that, and I figure better late than never. So y'all, got this little box from Bath and Body Works. I'm just gonna open it. Honestly, I don't even remember what I purchased. It probably was something that they didn't have in store, so I had to order online. So let's just go ahead and get to it. See, this is what happens when you buy stuff you had no business buying and you forget about it and it's just sitting. Like, I literally forgot about this. So let's see. Oh, I remember. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this stuff out first, because this box is not the business. So I had purchased 3 items, because they didn't have these in store. It was the raspberry jam donut. I never smelled it, but I like fruity, you know, sweet smells. So I actually purchased 3 of these. So hopefully they smell good, if not I'm gonna be very upset. And then I also purchased the coconut cream pie. They only had 1 left, and I purchased this one. So I'm going to smell this one first. And the fragrance notes are toasted coconut flakes, caramel custard, and golden pie crust. So let's get into it. So you can definitely smell the coconut. If I'm not mistaken, I want to say Bath and Body Works had a lotion called Toasted Marshmallows. I have it, but I don't feel like digging through my humble abode to find it. It smells just like toasted marshmallows. So yeah, this smells good. I love this one. I was so super salty that they didn't have the lotion. The lotion, like, I kept trying to add it to my cart, and it was saying like a low quantity. So I'm like, okay, either y'all got it or not. Y'all, Bath and Body Works, they be playing games, and I'm just like, you know what, the only thing that was available was the spray. So I was like, I'll sell for the spray if I have to. So this one, the raspberry jam donut, let's see, the notes for this one is wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm fluffy donut. Let's see. They sure did package it. Okay, if only they packaged their candles like that. Because if you ever got a candle from Bath and Body Works online, that thing be coming cracked up and everything. Okay, so this definitely smells like a raspberry jam donut. Like, you know, the powdered donuts that have the red stuff in there. This definitely smells like it. Shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E. Y'all, this literally smells like a donut. A raspberry donut at that. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it all. Okay, so I'm glad I did get 3 of these, because this was a blind buy. I kept seeing people ranting and raving about it. I'm just like, if I can get my hands on it so I can smell it, hopefully I like it. But I'm pretty glad that I did get this. So I'm happy. This can go to my little collection. And, you know, I got 3 of these. So I'm definitely loving that. So I'll probably start using this tonight. And yeah, guys. So I purchased these things right here. And I'll see you guys on the next video.